Hello friends, in this video I will explain you program to print star pattern 2. So you can see here that if the input is 4, we have to print star like this in descending order. So in the first row we will print 4 star, in the second row we will print 3 star, in the third row we will print 2 star, and in the fourth row we will print 1 star. So if you have seen my previous video of star pattern 1, in that video I have explained you how we can print star pattern 1. So this star pattern 2 is similar to star pattern 1, only we have to print the star in the descending order. So let's write the program. So int n equal to 4, and after that we have to take two for loops for int I equal to. So in star pattern 1 we were starting our for loop from 1 to the value of n, but in this pattern you can see we have to print star in the descending order. So that's why we have to start the value of I from n. So it will start from n and it will go up to the value of 1. So I larger than or equal to 1 and I minus minus. So this for loop will start from the value of n and it will go up to the 1, and inside of it I will take another for loop for int j equal to 1 and j less than equal to I and j plus plus, and inside this for loop we have to print stars. So system dot out dot print star and space, because we have spaces between the stars, and after that I will use println statement. So system dot out dot println, and let's run this program. So now you can see this program is working fine, and now I will explain you how this program is working. So in this program you can see that value of n is 4. So this I for loop will start from 4. So initial value of I is 4, and here it will check that I is larger than or equal to 1, 4 is larger than 1. So this condition is true, and we will go inside our loop, and here this inside for loop will start from 1 and it will go up to the value of I. So I is 4, so it will start from 1 and it will go up to 4. So it means that in the output we will get 4 star. So 1 2 3 and 4. After that, when the value of j will become 5, so this for loop will break, and after that this println statement will execute and we will move in the next line. Now I minus minus, so now value of I will become 3, and after that it will check here I larger than or equal to 1. So yes, value of I is 3 and it is larger than 1, and we will go inside the for loop, and this for loop will start from 1 and it will go up to the value of I, which is 3. So in the output we will get 3 star. So 1 2 3. After that, when the value of j will become 4, this for loop will break, and after that println statement will execute and we will move in the next line. After that I minus minus, so now value of I will become 2, and here it will again check that I larger than or equal to 1. So yes, 2 is larger than 1, and we will go in the for loop, and this for loop will start from 1 and it will go up to 2. So in the output we will get 2 stars. After that j plus plus, so when the value of j will become 3, this inside for loop will break, and after that this print and statement will execute and we will move in the next line. After that I minus minus, so value of I will become 1, and here it will check that I is larger than or equal to 1. So yes, I is 1 and it is equal to 1, and we will go inside our for loop. Now this for loop will only execute 1 because value of I is 1. So in the output we only get 1 star, and when the value of j will become 2, this for loop will break, and after that println statement, so we will move in the next line. and after that I minus minus, so now value of I will become 0. After that it will check here I larger than or equal to 1. So now you can see value of I is 0 and it is not larger than or equal to 1. So this for loop will break and our program will stop here. So this is how we can print star pattern 2. Thanks for watching.